You must have heard about this Maharashtrian dish or might have seen it as well. Hello and namaste, welcome back to my channel. My name is Manish and today we are going to cook masale bhat home style. Now to talk about this dish, there is no specific recipe for masale bhat. Every Maharashtrian household has its own version of making it. In this video, I am going to show you how I cook this dish at my home. Now to prepare masale bhat, here I am taking 1 cup of rice. The choice of rice is depend on you. You may take long grain rice or you may take your daily use rice at home. Here I am using my daily rice that we are using at our home. Now one thing to note is that whenever you cook any rice, always wash your rice minimum 3 times with the tip of your fingers before you use it. And after washing it properly, soak it for around 25 minutes to 45 minutes depending upon the quality of rice that you are taking. Now another variation to this is you can use any lentil all pulses that you like. Here I am taking chana dal, a split chickpeas. You can take masoor dal, you can take tur dal. It's completely up to you. You can make a different version of it. Now in this step we will chop all the vegetables. Here I'm taking 1 onion, green chili, garlic, ginger, coriander stems, and finely chopped coriander for garnishing and flavoring. The rice and dal both are puffed up. It is nicely moist. Now turn on the heat and add 2 big teaspoons of oil into the pressure cooker. Now once the oil is hot, now here you will add cumin seeds and mustard seeds and let it pop down. We will add curry leaf, finely chopped coriander stems, ginger, garlic, green chili, and a bit of coriander leaves to get the flavor of that coriander, and then we'll saute it for a minute. Oops, I forgot to add asafoetida, which is hing. So I've added it over here. You usually put hing after adding cumin and mustard seeds. Once it's nicely sauté, let us introduce our onion here. Now here you can add any other veggies of your choice. You can add cauliflower florets, you can add diced potatoes, beans, carrots. In many parts of Maharashtra, you may also find that they are adding brinjals. It's completely your choice. You can try with the different flavors. Now saute the onion well till it becomes translucent. It will take roughly about 4 minutes or so. Better you stir it occasionally. Now mind you, we do not want to brown the onion, we just want to sweat it. As you can see, my onions are translucent. I'll add chana dal or split chickpea and fry it a bit. It will take about a minute or so. Yeah, it's been a minute now. Let's add the powder spices, starting with turmeric powder, red chili powder. I like it a bit spicy. Coriander cumin powder, and mix it well. Now here you can add goda masala, which is again Maharashtrian spice. You can also add garam masala or kitchen king masala if you have. Now saute it well. You can see it started to get sticking at the bottom of the pressure cooker. Yeah, just make sure you don't burn the spices. Now let's add rice along with water. Now here I am adding 1.5 cup of water for 1 cup of rice. You can take 2 cup of water as well, but then that will make my rice like a khichdi. I do not want that mushy rice, so I'm adding 1.5 cup of water. Now stir it well and let us wait till it gets to a boil. As you can see, the rice comes to a boil. Add a pinch of salt as per your taste. Turn on the lid and wait for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, let the rice cool down completely. Let all the steam go out of. Now let's open the lid of the pressure cooker, and as you open it, you get a very nice aroma of cumin, coriander, the green chilies, ginger, garlic. It's just, it makes you hungry for sure. So I'll finish this with 1 teaspoon of ghee or a clarified butter and a bunch of coriander leaves to garnish it. So here you have your masale bhat ready to be served. Do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comments down below if you have added any other ingredients or any other veggies and how did it taste like. You can get the entire recipe for this dish in the description below, including the ingredients. Do not forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe to Indian Bachelor's Kitchen. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.